Honey, what are you doing?
I'm making a video.
When I was a little bitty baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. It was down around Louisiana, just about a half a mile out of
Tickling me, What are you cooking over there?
Look at them Nathan's hot dogs.
Hot diggity doggy doodle. Yum, Nathan's hot dog.
I'm also going to cook up some contraption that Kathy never did get to taste. A little bit of pineapple juice.
A little vanilla ice cream.
No. Good stuff.
I should have told Kathy the story about this stealth decanter thing here.
What about?
This.
Oh, no. Here, is this tartar sauce? You want to eat that tartar sauce? Honey, don't take it. I'm having dinner. I want to eat in peace.
Did you win on Jeopardy?